Hi there, welcome to Recipes and More channel, a home for extraordinary recipes. If this is your first time of coming across this channel, you're highly welcome and this is the right place to be. Please click on the red subscription button below this video and subscribe so you are part of this family. Subscription is very much free. Once you do, tap the notification bell beside it so you get to be notified each time a new video is uploaded. Now on this channel, recipes are uploaded every week. Why don't you take advantage of that to add to your recipe repertoire? For my oldies, you guys are always welcome. And on today's menu, we have Chinese stir fry to make. If you must learn this to add to your recipe repertoire, you have to stay till the end of this video. Now guys, the first thing to be done here is to heat up your frying pan, then add some quantity of vegetable oil and get it to be heated up to a certain level. Once that is done, you have to just add your already diced onion. Please kindly subscribe to this channel to help us grow. Like and comment on this video if you like the video. Whether you like the video or not, if you like it, comment on the comment section with a positive comment. If you hate it, comment on the comment section with a negative comment or na comment. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you hate it, give it a thumbs down. It helps the channel. Please guys, it doesn't take anything to do these things. You cannot just come to a channel that is being put much effort to create content for you and you don't support the creator. That's not good. Well, that having been said, what I added before now was some salt just to season the oil and the onion, and after that I just added some scotch bonnet pepper that was roughly grinded. You have to make it rough because you need to see the fibers. Yes, the fiber needs to be seen. That's the way it is. Okay, still asking and pleading that you like, comment, and share this video. Please, guys, like, comment, and share this video with your friends. Thank you, and God bless you as you do that. Now, the next thing that was added was the mixture of beef and liver. This has already been cooked and well done. So you just have to add and then add some curry powder and then turn, like stir everything right in. Okay. So you have to allow it to sit for at least 1 minute before you add the remaining ingredients, guys. And this tastes so nicely, so very nicely. Now the next thing that is being added here is already diced carrots. Yeah, you also have to just stir in everything very well. And then I just added sardine, that is your canned fish sardine. So you add it to it and then pieces it the way you want, but let it still have some chunk in the fries. After that was just the green beans that was just added, already diced and added. And then I just added some 2 cubes of seasoning cubes. Yeah, and then just stir everything rightly. Please guys, share this video with your family and friends. I am begging you, share it with your family and friends, and God bless you as you do so. This is a growing channel. Kindly help me grow this channel. If you like my recipes, comment. If you don't like it, comment. If you don't like the video, give it a thumbs down. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Just help me. Do not eat your comments. Those things are free. Be good enough to support a creator. Thank you so much, guys. Now, like I said, you stirred those things very well, and then just add your diced green pepper. We are almost done with this process, guys. After that, we will just have to stir and then get ready to bring this down. Now, if you do not add this very thing, this is dark soy sauce, but this is light soy sauce and more light soy sauce. If you don't use it, you have not made Chinese stir fry. You would have just succeeded in making your own stir fry. But if you want to have this particular recipe called Chinese stir fry, you have to use dark soy sauce, either the dark or the light one. You must have to use it. It's an integral part of this recipe. If you miss it, then you didn't do Chinese stir fry, guys. Okay, we are almost done. Almost done. Guys, this is done. This is done. I wish you are right here to have a taste of this. The aroma smells very heavenly, and that's just the way it also tasted, very nicely. Like, I don't know what to tell you, but I just have to tell you to go and try this. Try it and come back and engage me again on the comment section how you liked it. Now, you can have this with your rice, white rice, your white yam or fries, or even have it like that. If you are on a weight loss program, you can have it like this. But for me, I am just going to have this with my white boiled sweet potato, guys, so nicely. And guys, this is where we call it a day on this video. I hope that you go and try this out and then come back to tell me how it turns out for you. Please kindly, like I said, share this video and help me grow this channel. Thank you so much, and until I see you in my next video, please stay safe and take care of yourself. Bye bye.